up at two-wheel drive. Yep, it's slow. Why no te vas a subir? Like the little chip back there. Gonna try to crawl it. Just maintain a little speed to receive the engage. Isaac doesn't create a giant ass crater. He digged the hole. Two-wheel drive. I mean, four-wheel drive. Now I'm back to two-wheel. I went higher than you, Eric. Thanks, Isaac. Yeah, you made a giant little hole.
And then Isaac went a little bit faster than you did.
Hey, look, there's a whole bunch of wood right here, like, because they get on, like, you know, small ones to start fires, but we got enough, right?
I didn't bring any. I just brought my fire pit. Yeah, because you're hitting up the wall. There you go. Oh, now he's in the other dip. Oh. Well. So much for feathering it. Oh, they made a trail for us. That's gonna be easy. Eric's in a ditch. But he can make it out. He just has to go back. Straighten your wheels, Eric. Just go back towards me.
Right here, there's a little spot where dirt. Come closer, Isaac, so the other guy doesn't stop behind you on the hill.
Go towards the cliff. Well, well. What do we got here? There's one tree. There's two trees. And a cliff. Let's see. So we're gonna try to get the little Jeep's winch onto, if we can get out, to one of these trees and make the winch pull him this way, because we don't want him to get closer to the tree. We're newbies, but yeah, whatever. We'll make it.
Derecho, derecho, derecho. Derechito, derechito. Ahí así, ahí así, ahí así. Al pasito, llévatelo. Y no le aflojes, déjalo que se vaya, no le aflojes.
Go forward, go forward.
¿Sabes qué? Échale para enfrente, ¿no? Sí, échale para enfrente, ¿no? Sí. A ver si no le chorrea. Eso no va, patina para acá, para este lado. Tantito. Cadín que tiene un taco. Llévate para aquel lado. Súbete, súbete más, súbete más. Ahora sí que...
Lo más que puedas.
Ahí así. A ver. Tantito más para aquel lado. Ahora sí, dale de reversa, a ver si. Que se salga aquella cayó en la mujer. Ok, le doy para la derecha. Quiebrale todo. Que esa llanta se vaya más para allá y luego ya le das para el otro lado. Eso, dale, 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 dale. Dale, 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 dale. Dale, 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 dale. Ahora sí, dale para acá. Para guiarnos. Que esa, si te agarra la misma, se va a seguir igual. Hey. Ahí así. Ahora sí, para el otro lado.
Québrale, québrale.
Eso, mano, ahí así. Quiebrale, quiebrale todo, quiebrale todo. Al otro lado, al otro lado.
You want it on the left, right?
Al otro lado, dale más para allá.
A la izquierda, a la izquierda.
Eso, atrás, atrás, atrás.
Eso.
Ya estuvo.
Endereza las llantas.
He's so light, dude.
There you go, there you go.
Yeah, he's so freaking light. Enderezale, enderezale.
Straight.
Es lo que ahí la hace, ¿no? Ahí la hace. Yeah. Si caga el teléfono de la nieve, nunca lo vuelvas a ver.
All right. Tree hugger there. Winch here. It's a little light, so I don't know. We'll see if it can do it. Oh,
Now
perfect.
spin your tires a little bit, Eric. All right, hold up. Let it catch up.
Maybe straighten him out, no?
Now give it a little bit. Tú síguele dando, weón. Now give it another gas. Go all the way. Right there. Let it catch up. All right, give it another little one.
Real
Now go straight.
Real MVP right there.
Go that way. Right there. Hold on.
Should we clip him on the back? That tire's getting.
A ver. Hold on.
It's his limited slip.
Hold on.
Ahí va. Ahí va. Okay, try number 5. This time the Jeep.
Alright, here we go, eh?
There you go. Go, 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 go. Okay. You're gonna dig yourself. Hasta que salió.
You're good. I just wanted to see where my tires were at.
You're good, Eric. Just keep them straight. Yeah. You're good. Keep them straight, Eric. All right, go, Eric. Hey. No, 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 no. Okay. Feather it, Eric. Feather it. Straighten out your wheels, Eric. Le va a pegar. The rope. The rope. Let's see if the rope doesn't get stuck. Yes. Go! Again!
Stop, Eric.
Okay, you're good. Eric, side to side, side to side. Okay, go back, Chepe. All right, you're good there. Side to side, Eric. Straight, straight, straight. Esto.
Primero.
Se fue. Se fue al otro lado. Vámonos. Ready. ¿Listo, Fernando? ¿Listo? Ready. Oh. Oh, hold up.
No, wait. I gotta back up. Out of here.
Okay, dale para atrás.
This one. Dale para atrás.
Más, poquito más, Fernando.
Tiene que salir. Más,
Dale, dale.
más.
Ok, ya está.
Derecho.
Súbete ahí lo más duro. Sí.
¿Ya?
Un poquito.
Ahí, quédate. Hey, let me move that rope.
¿Puedes darle más para atrás, Fernando?
Yo pienso que ahí la hago. What's happening? No, it's good. No, it's good now.
Pon esa, dale para atrás un poquito y pon esa llanta en la nieve más duro. Eso. Y ya pues nomás le vas para arriba.
Yo pienso que ahí voy bien. ¿Puedes darle más para atrás? Más.
You got like 2 feet. There you go. There you go. Ay. Porque luego te vas a bajar del...
Hey, your wheel's gonna come down right here.
Okay, stay there, stay there.
Wheel's
Go.
gonna drop down.
You're gonna fall in the ditch in the back. Vámonos. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's snowing pretty good.
Oh shit. Fire! Ah! Oh my goodness! What happened? Se vino. Cierra las puertas. Oh my God. Paga la lona. Oh my God. Look at your freaking Mira nomás.
Damn.
Es como que ya no. Oye, vas a pagarla.
Alright, we're heading back home. We've been out here for a long time. We had some food, some carne asada, all this papa, steak, bunch of stuff. Now it's time to get out of here.